Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do magic foil for the 4th of July t-shirts. I made this one here. I did it last night. I don't know what print I'm going to use for which t-shirt, but I made this one. I'm going to go ahead and put the links right up here, so of the videos where I did the t-shirts. I did this one, and tell me in the comments, what do you think? It wasn't, I thought this was going to be my favorite, but it wasn't. You know, let me know, what do you think? And also in the comments below, let me know where are you from? So then I did this one that became my favorite. And all these are Hanes tagless for women, and most of them are a V-neck. I always put rhinestones here and sometimes on the sleeves. This one I haven't done a video of this one yet, but for some reason it became my favorite. So I think I'm going to make this for the 4th of July for me. And this one, all I did is I grabbed the t-shirt like that and I twisted it as much as I could. And then I put rubber bands all across so that the twisting didn't come undue. And that's all I did, guys. It was very, very easy to make. And then I have another one, the one that became my favorite. It's this one. It has the red, and then it has the white in the middle, and then the blue, and it almost looked like a vintage print. For some reason, that's the sense that I get. Before I turn my camera away, let me show you something that I've been doing. And also on the comment below, let me know if you are interested in learning how to make something like this. I've been making this for Mother's Day. And of course, my mom already took 3 of them, so yay. That one. These are natural stones. If you like to buy them, you don't want to make them, you can go to my website, and I'm gonna right here. I'm gonna put where is my the address on my website. I want to keep all of them, but I can't. This is one of my favorite ones. So if you want to learn how to make them, let me know and I can make a video of this. There you go. And this is the last one. This is the last one I did. Okay, so that's that. These are the images that I'm going to print, and I'm going to use my Cricut for that. So what you're going to use to print this, you're going to need the adhesive. And I'm going to put links of everything that I use on the description box. And then I'm going to use, depending on the image, I'm going to be using the magic foil. I'm going to be using 3 different colors depending on which one. And this is the image that I'm going to be making. So because the adhesive, it's clear, I made it white. And this image, I got it from Sotheby. And I'm going to put the link below the website of it. This one, I grabbed it from my Cricut file, my images, and I just wanted to show you. I think this is a cute one. I just wanted to show you that one, but I'm not making that one. So I kept the file how it looks so that when I print, I'm able to refer to it. And this one, I'm going to make it on a onesie, and these are the original colors for it. So the next video is going to be on how to do a onesie with your Cricut for 4th of July, for my first 4th of July. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and print this, and you need, again, I don't know if I told you, you need to have your heat press at 305, and you print between 15 and 20 seconds. I usually do 20 seconds. So let me print and move my phone to my heat press and see you in a minute. This is the shirt I decided that I'm going to print, and I'm going to keep this one for me. So what I usually do is I fold it in half with the V-neck in front. That is going to help me so that when I put the image, I know where the hot part is. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press this for a few seconds. And remember, it's at 305 for 20 seconds. So there it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my image, my t-shirt right here. And this is the image I'm going to use. So this is the adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and go right in the middle, just like that. And I'm going to put a mark right here and a mark down here. So you do it not from the part that it's sticky, but the other side. Otherwise, it's going to get stuck together. So I just go like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put it 3 fingers below. And right there, right in the middle. Just like that. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, so the image is already there. So I'm going to go ahead and remember that I'm going to put all the items that I use in this video on the description below. So here we go. We're going for 20 seconds. I hold it, otherwise it makes a very large sound. Okay, here it is. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here's the image. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the blue first. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this part right here of where the stars are. Here is my first piece. So I'm gonna go right in here to cover the whole thing, and I'm gonna put a piece of tape, and then right here I need to go and cut like that right there, and then like this right there. And the next one is right here for the 4th of July. So we're just gonna cut, I think more than one piece, just to be sure that we got it correct. So here's the 4th of July right there. Okay, and then we're gonna put a little piece of tape right there. And then we need July on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and go here. Let's see here. Here's a July. Cut right here. This is a little bit of work, but you know what? I think it's going to be worth it. It is going to be worth it. So there it is. So I need one more piece of that. Let's see. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut right here straight. Put a tape. And then I'm going to go here. Here. Almost in an angle. There it is. So now we're going to put our red. I'm going to cut our red. But it's going to be, when you do one color, the rest of it is easy. We're just going to go ahead and cut one piece right here. all the way inside. So I cut it is like that. So this one is gonna go here, tape. Through right here, tape, right there. And then the bottom part, we're gonna go another piece. I'm just gonna go ahead and go across right there. There we go. So we just go ahead and apply it right there, and it's ready to go. Okay, so we go ahead and put our thermo sheet and go for the full 20 seconds. There we go. So here it is. We're gonna go over the image, and this is a cold peel. So we're gonna I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're going to start peeling this thing. Here we go. Wow. Like I said, it's a little bit of work, but it's so worth it, guys. So worth it. Wow. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you. There you go. How about that? Pretty, huh? Okay, so that's just to show you that you can do different colors, and here's the proof of it. But for now, may the Lord God bless you today and every day, and until next time, thank you.